railroad workers working on that track, on the train track way over there. Way over there. So, yep, there's a yellow light on. I'm trying to wait for 365 to come. Because I need to catch the Amtrak 350. And then I might come back out here, come catch the Amtrak 353. You know, my birthday's about one more. My birthday's coming up by like one more day tomorrow. I might get on the train to Chicago. I might make a live stream. Cause I might be on live stream, filming on the train. So yeah, I might make a live stream on my birthday, on my 16th birthday. Up here he comes. I see him. Oh, yup, I see him. Here he comes. He on this one. Oh, yup, he is on this one. Let me go ahead and get back right here. So, yup, he on that track right there. Here comes the 365, y'all. Here he comes. There's the Westbound too.